Okay, here we have my wife preparing the chicken meat for the dogs. As I previously mentioned, she buys chicken from the market that's probably 2 or 3 days old at a discount, and we use that plus rice as a filler to feed our dogs. So she's got the meat and she's doing the preparation process.
Yes, but this time, babe, it's the scrap bones from they are putting a fillet. It's 37 per kilo. And then
Okay.
we're gonna cook it we're gonna adobo it for them. A week of supply for them. So,
Is that 2 kilos?
yeah. See? They make it the fillet. They made it fillet. We're gonna cook this. Make the bones very soft and tasty, and then mix it to the rice. So this is the 1.5 kilo for 56 pesos. See? That's it. We usually get the real meat or real chicken meat. But this is fresh. It's still good, and it's Chichi and Babo's favorite. I'll cook this first.
Okay.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.